Hey, good morning, students. Hello, all of you. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. I am your English teacher Archana Singh. I all welcome you all in my English class. Okay, so before starting the chapter, I would like to say about the previous chapters. That previous chapters we have completed, and exams are also over, and I was glad that nobody faced any issues. Okay, and successfully all of you have attempted the exam. Okay, and nobody felt any issues in the previous chapters also. So I hope there is no issues in the previous chapter. If there, you can ask me. I am there to help you out. So we will start the new chapter, that is the big bell. Okay, but before the chapter we will go through the sound words starting with double L. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this chapter and the words. Okay, so let's start. So we will firstly learn the double L sound words. What are the sound words? C A double L all, C A double L call, W A double L wall, B A double L ball, H A double L hall, F A double L fall, T A double L tall, S T A double L stall, S M A double L small. So here we can see all double L. Double L is the sound words we have to use to complete the words, right? So next one, P U double L pull, F U double L full. There are so many words. B U double L bull, S M E double L smell, S P E double L spell, B I double L bill, M I double L mill, T I double L till, H I double L hill, F I double L fill, S K I double L skill, P I double L pill, K I double L kill, S P I double L spill. Next, H E double L hell, S E double L sell, F E double L fell, W E double L well, B E double L bell, T E double L tell, Y E double L yell. And last word is D O double L doll. So we can see in all the words double L is the sound word. So we are completing the word using double L. Okay. So this is also important. You will also learn, you will pronounce as I have pronounced now, so that you can able to read, able to speak also the words. You can able to speak also, isn't it? As I am doing like this, you have to read as I have read just now. Okay, so I hope you will all do, and you have to do. Okay, while taking the spelling dictation, I'll also ask you, I may ask you the spelling of any word, or I can may give you to write the spellings also. Okay, so I hope you will be all learning the spellings thoroughly, right? So after that, let's move to our the chapter, that is the big bell, right? So the big bell. Jack has a ball. Jill has a doll. Jill is small. Jack is tall. Jack calls Jill. What does the first five lines says? Jack has a ball. Jill has a doll. Jill is small. Jack is tall. Jack calls Jill. Right. Next, that is a mill. This is a well. The well is full of water. The well has a wall. There is a bell on the wall. Jill pulls the bell. Oh, the bell. Ding dong, Jill falls down the hill. This poem is something relating to Jack and Jill, right? We have already read a poem in our early childhood, right? Jack and Jill went up to hill. Is this poem relating to this chapter, right? Yes. So she have also marked the words, hard words, important words to be learned, right? So you will also follow these words. Okay. So Jack has a ball, Jill has a doll. Jill is small, Jack is tall. Jack calls Jill. That is a mill. This is a well. The well is full of water. The well has a wall. There is a bell on the wall. Jill pulls the bell. Oh, the bell. Ding dong, Jill falls down the hill. Okay. This is the uh, this is the first page of the chapter, and I hope you have all understood what Jack and Jill was doing, what happened with them. Okay. Now next one. Jill yells, "Help, help!" Jack runs down the hill. Jack gives a pill to Jill. Pill is this the medicine, right? Ding dong, says the bell. Yell means Jill was yelling, means she was about to cry that help, help, that I have fallen down, right? So in this chapter, what we can say that Jack has a ball, Jill has a doll. Jill is small, Jack is tall. Jack calls Jill. Yes, we can see Jack is very tall, Jill, and Jill is very small, right? Both of them are friends. They have came near the well. Near the well there is a mill, right? Where the smoke is coming out. This is the mill. The well is full of water. Well has a wall. The well has a wall. This is a wall. There is a bell on the wall, right? Jill pulls the bell. Oh, the bell, ding dong, Jill falls down the hill. What does the Jill doing? She was pulling the bell. She lost her balance and she fall down from the hill, right? After some time, Jill get down the hill to help Jill, and he also gave her a pill, means a medicine to eat, so that she can get relief from the pain. Okay. So I hope you have all understood the poem, and I'm sorry, the chapter and the words starting from double L, and I hope it's all clear to you. If not, you can ask me 1,000 times. I'm there to help you out. Of this chapter, the question answers we will do in our next chapter, in our next class, right? So I hope you will also learn the words which I have just told in the just told to do. Okay. So by this I'll end my class. So take care all of you. Have a nice day. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Do your assignments on time. Send me the assignments on time. Stay fit. Stay happy. And study hard. Bye students. Take care all of you. Bye.